Hello everybody, today I'm telling about the catapult. So, the catapult was used a long time ago to lift heavy things, like when it was the time of kings and queens. The king would used to, like, in wars, they would like to use the catapult to throw it to the other kingdom, to break that kingdom. So you can make it on your own. All you need is popsicle sticks, spoon, and glue rubber bands. You can use a cap if you don't have a spoon. And so potential energy to kinetic. So it is potential energy to kinetic energy. Potential is moving and kinetic is still, not moving at all. Oh, it's the other way around. Kinetic is when you're moving and potential is when you're still. Like when you are in position and still. And there are different types of catapults. So there's one that you have to pull back and then leave it and it'll throw, and it'll throw in a specific direction: north, east, south, west, forward, backwards, left, right, all those directions, even northeast and southeast. Now let's go to the next and see what's its working principle. So its working principle is transfer of energy. Potential is energy is converted into kinetic energy. So now let's see the science is to learn the concepts of force and motion. So catapults are devices used to throw objects in specific direction. Like this catapult which I made. You can decorate it like this, like I've decorated it. There are all the things I mentioned, like popsicle sticks, rubber bands, and there's a spoon right over here. And then in the end you can decorate it. Like I use a pom-pom and use sketch pens to decorate it. So when the catapult is pulled back, potential energy is performed. So like when you're going up the slide, you're storing energy. When you're on the top of the slide, you have potential in you, and when you slide down with a high speed, you have kinetic in yourself. And so like when you have a full balloon, you have potential in yourself, but when you leave the balloon and the air is going in one direction and the balloon is going in moving, that is kinetic energy. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more catapults. So if you want to see how the catapult works, please check out my video that I posted with it. Bye! Catapult, bye!